Hi, good day. I am Christian Butron. I am here to present to you my lesson plan and teaching demonstration. Okay, now let's proceed to my lesson plan. So this is my semi-detailed lesson plan in general mathematics. It contains content standards, performance standards, objectives, subject matter, the procedure, which includes the daily routine and the 4 A's. Also, the assessment, and last, the assignment. Okay, now let's proceed to my demonstration. Good morning, class. Before we proceed to our lesson today, please stand up for the prayer. Miss Akili, please lead the prayer. Okay, so again, good morning, class. How are you today? Are you feeling good? Okay, that's great. Now, before we proceed to our lesson today, let's check first your attendance. Okay? Now, say present when your name is called. John Lester Butron, Natalie Pailandos, Akili Orapa, Harry Cabani. Okay, so I think everybody is present. Now, before we proceed to our topic today, who can recall to our last week's topic? Anybody? Yes, Mr. John Lester. Yes, we talked about functions. Okay. Another. Yes, we used functions in real world problem. Okay. Now, in today's topic, we will evaluate the function. But before we do that, let's have an activity first. Now, as you can see on the slide, you'll have to evaluate the function. Now, this is a group activity. So group yourselves into, I need 3 groups to do this activity. Okay? Are you finished grouping? Okay, now, Group 1 will answer number 1, Group 2 will answer number 2, and Group 3 will answer number 3 without looking on your notes. Okay? So please answer it honestly. If you really know this, you will have a correct answer. Okay? 5 minutes starts now. Okay, so I think everybody's done. So let's check your work. Group 1, would you write your answer here? Also Group 2 and Group 3. Okay, so I think all groups have the correct answer. So I think you know already how to evaluate a function. Okay, now, but before that, I'll give you what is the meaning of evaluating a function. Now, evaluating a function it means substituting the value of x into the function. In this case, with a value from the function's domain and computing for the result. So just like what we did a while ago, you just simply substitute the value of x into the function to get the answer or the result. Okay, so that's how you evaluate a function. No? Next is, if one thinks of function as a function machine, evaluating a function is analogous to providing our machines with a valid input. So every substitute, you have a valid input and a valid result. Okay, now I think you already know how to evaluate. Okay, let's ask again somebody on the class, okay? How to evaluate the function, Mr. John Lester? Okay, very good. Now, by substituting the value of x. Okay, now let's proceed to the application of the lesson. Now, I have here 4 items. So, it's just like what we did a while ago, no? So, I think you already know how to do it or how to solve it. So, I'll just give you 5 minutes to answer. Okay? Any questions? Okay. I think it will be written on a 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay? Okay, so start now. Okay, so let's check your work. So who will answer number 1? Okay, John Lester. Number 2, Akili. Number 3, Harry. And number 4, Natalie. Okay? Now, okay. Now, I think everybody has the correct answer. Okay? Now, so I think every one of you got this. Oh, okay. So, you know already how to solve or to evaluate the function. Now, the last question is much different from the above. So, how did you get it? Okay, so by reading the situation and identifying what is asked on the problem. So that's how you answer it. Now, let's proceed to the exercise. Please prepare 1/2 crosswords for this one. Okay? Okay. So on this slide, read the question. So Mark started selling snacks in the nearby school. In one day, he spends 200 pesos and 25 pesos for each snack item he prepares. His expenses in a single day can be expressed as the function c of x is equals to 25x plus 100 at 200, where x is the number of items and c of x is his daily expenses in pesos. How much are his expenses if he prepares 100 snack items? How about 150 snacks items? So you just have to evaluate the function. So please do read the instruction and what is asked on this situation. No? So you have 5 minutes to answer this one. Okay? So are you ready? Okay, so start now. Okay, so I think everybody is finished. Now please rotate your papers counterclockwise. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Who can answer this one? Okay, John Lester, please answer this. Okay, so I think John Lester got this. Do you have the same answer with John Lester? Okay, that's great. So I think you already understand the concept of evaluating a function. Now, please pass your paper for I will record it on the on our class record. Okay, please put it in the table. Okay, so let's proceed to your assignment. So please do write this on your assignment notebook. So in a 1 whole sheet of paper, write a function that performs additions, subtraction, multiplication, division, and composition of functions. So 5 items each question. Okay? So any questions? Clarifications? If none, class dismissed. Goodbye, class. See you on next week.